Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing one of the most anticipated release floor standing speakers from Dynaudio, their brand new Evoke 30s. These floor standing speakers are, in their price, the most magnificent example of a floor standing speaker money can buy. Most importantly, from this unboxing video perspective, it's also one in their new colour option. Gloss black, gloss white, these have been available for some time, the matte finishes, all of these, but Dynaudio have released a new colour which sort of resembles oak. They're calling a blonde finish, light blonde. It's lovely, so can't wait to unbox these. Now, obviously this is a pair. They're a floor standing speaker. They're going to be identical from a packaging perspective, so I'm going to get rid of this and concentrate on just the one beside me. Okay, now, firstly, the packaging. They have model and serial number on each end, okay, and this brown muted design box is sellotaped closed with big fat packing tape. Opening that, very straightforward. I think we should always be a little bit careful with a craft knife and perhaps nick it rather than dragging it across the whole surface. And once open, it reveals Dynaudio's new inner carton. So this becomes a freight box. You can easily have it with freight tickets on it, or a bit of scruff, or whatever that might happen as it is sent around the world. Getting this off is very, very straightforward. Simply roll it round, get the outer box off the big one. Okay. To reveal a lovely white and semi-colourful box inside. So just sort of roll that over. You see that there's a quick pictorial of the speaker and a simple enough delineation saying open here. New to this range is also a Dynaudio factory seal, so look out for that. Okay. Opening very, very straightforward. It's sellotaped. Little nick across that factory seal, and then at one end. Okay. So by opening it as they have asked at this side, we get to see the accessories laid out straight away. The first and most obvious is a little bit of information about the product itself. There's actually two brochures inside a plastic bag, along with a warranty card with international information there. There's a basic black and white and a full colour brochure with some of the Dynaudio products. On this end we have a beautiful sort of almost presentation box quality of all of the accessories associated with the speaker. Now please hang around for some photographs where I'll take some, hang around towards the end of this video where I'll take some photographs and close-ups of all of these kinds of things. But we can see these outrigger feet, screws, nuts, spikes and other accessories sitting ready for us to have a good play with. In the middle we've got the Dynaudio grill. These grills are black. Simple plastic bag, nothing holding it closed. Magnetic grill, acoustically transparent. It's worth noting that the magnets are also covered with a little piece of sort of foam to ensure that they cannot rattle and will not have any scratching or anything like that on the speaker itself. A quick look. Now there's a piece of closed cell foam here simply to hold the information and grill in place. And then the easiest thing to do at this point is to carefully roll it forward and take the box off the speaker, revealing firstly the accessory and of course the speaker in its size. Now the easiest thing at this point is simply to sort of slip carefully the closed cell foam off one end and then raise carefully the speaker up. Okay. Now this bag is closed at the bottom, so I'm actually going to do this with it. Now again, hang around for some photographs. What I will do is put the grills on, I'll show the other speaker obviously unboxed, and put the outrigger feet and spikes in as well. So taking the plastic bag off, very straightforward, and underneath that a simple nick opens a sellotaped inner bag. That inner bag is a sort of a polishing cloth style, and the easiest at this point is to just drag it a few inches down the speaker and then turn it back over. But before we do, I'm going to show you the pre-taps that are in the bottom. Again, hang around, I'll take some close-ups. This enables the speaker outrigger feet to be added and great anchor points through the structure of the speaker. So excellent to see that they have invested significantly in that. So very easy at this point to take both the outer and inner bag off in one go and revealing the speaker for the first time. Now the most obvious thing that you will see is this new magnetic dust cap. It is designed to protect the dome tweeter and has a little, hang around, I'll show you some photographs, has a little insert ensuring that it can be centered very easily over the tweeter, offering a lot of protection in transit. Now, let's have a look at the speaker. Firstly, this new sort of blonde wood is astonishing. It is lovely. To see it in the flesh for the first time is excellent. There is a texture to the wood grain. It's not a gloss, it's more of a matte finish, and it gives a nice alternative in many people's homes to some of these high gloss veneers that are available with other brands. The speaker itself is not very tall, you can see from a scale perspective here. And even with the outrigger feet adding a couple of inches to it, it's going to be a nice, compact and petite speaker. Firstly, we'll start at the top. This is their new coated silk dome. The coating process and pressing process is unique to Dynaudio. In this range, we now see the new Hexis dome in behind the tweeter, helping with its disbursement into a room and virtually eliminating any reflection off the back of the tweeter itself, yet not affecting its ability to create a wonderful sound stage. Beneath it is the first of two mid-bass drivers. They use the classic MSP moulding cone with no dust cap required, of course, because of the moulding process. Very light, extremely rigid design. In this range they use aluminium voice coils, again to ensure that they are light and do a wonderful job of that basic piston that is producing the sound. The bass and dynamics from these are second to none in their physical size. Beneath these drivers is the Dynaudio logo, beautifully set in the front, and a nice space down to give an extension of its elegance here. It's not a very deep speaker, in fact it's extremely compact, and this is very, very good to see. The tapered design as I lean it forward, and again hang around for some photographs, I'll take some close-ups, is wonderful to see, and the curves mean that the physics of this speaker, it actually looks less daunting in a space. It looks much smaller than the physical presence that this can deliver. At the rear you see a nice clean design and a very large port at the bottom of the speaker. Now for obvious reasons this is managing the airflow and pressure change associated with these very dynamic drivers. Good deep port and the ability to manage that with the port wads that they provide. Beneath it, of course, is a classic binding post and crossover network associated with the Dynaudios. These are a single wire speaker as you would expect with Dyn, and they have a good 5-way binding post. Okay. So there we have it. These beautiful floor standing speakers from Dynaudio, the Evoke 30s, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.